Did you know the axe that made Vlad the Impaler a monster actually saved his country? In 1462, Vlad III was facing an impossible problem. Mehmed II was marching on Wallachia with one of the most powerful armies in the world. This was the same man who had just torn through Constantinople. Nobody stopped him. Nobody even slowed him down. Vlad had no army that could match him in open battle, so he did something else. He gathered around 20,000 Ottoman prisoners and impaled them on stakes outside his capital. Then he arranged them in rows, stretching for miles, so the first thing Mehmed's army would see was a forest of the dead. Mehmed arrived, looked at what was in front of him, and turned his army around. He went home. The man who had conquered empires decided this particular enemy was not worth the cost. Western storytellers turned Vlad into a vampire legend. But what actually happened was simpler and stranger. The most terrifying thing in the world stopped an unstoppable army cold.